Hello and welcome. We are going to look at two components of using templates and creating templates. There are a variety of templates available within the Microsoft Word application. I'm going to start there first. When you click the File option and you choose New, it is likely that you'll see a variety of templates available to you. For example, if you wanted to create a chronological resume, you could use a template. If you wanted to create an accessible template sampler, if you wanted to add a newsletter. So there are a variety of options. In this first case, let's use a template to create a business letter. The Microsoft template for creating a business letter is the business letter option. I'm going to click on the business letter and then create. And I now have a document that's set up where I simply have to fill in the blanks. I would change my name, add the date, add my recipient names, and then perhaps change the body of the text. So using those templates can be fairly easy. Now once you've downloaded them and you've saved them, they become available to you or they become a part of your recent list. So now let's talk about creating a template. Creating a template can be a piece of cake as well. For example, what if I liked this template to start with, but now I wanted to do something a little bit different with it? I wanted to add my name. And my address. As well as the telephone and email. Now for the date, if this were a template that I were going to use often, I might actually want to insert a date that's going to change with me. So date and time. I can give the format and I'll have it update automatically. So every time I use that date, it's going to change. I might keep recipient name, recipient company, recipient address and leave that. I might even choose to highlight the body of the letter. And then keep the rest as is. Now there are other things that I can do. What if my letters always contained an additional page? I'm going to press Control Enter to add a new page. So my business letter will have 2 pages. Now I'm going to save this as a template. So I'm going to choose File. I'm going to Save As. And instead of a Word document, I'm going to make it a Word template. And now you'll find yourself in a template area. I'm going to call this Custom 2-page letter. And then I'm going to click Save. So I'm currently looking at the template for a custom 2-page letter. I'm going to close that document. So another day has come, and I want to create a business letter using that custom 2-page letter. Now in the past, I could certainly open a document that already exists, do a File Save As, and then use that. But we all know what happens when you use that File Save As. You inadvertently overwrite your document. Now all I have to do to get a fresh copy of the letter each and every time is click on File and choose New. And under this Personal option would be any templates that I created. And when I click on Custom 2-page letter, you'll notice it is the letter as I left it before with 2 pages. So that was a quick overview on creating and using a template. Remember, using a template was as simple as choosing File New and either finding a featured template or choosing Personal to locate a template that you've created. Creating a template was as easy as creating a document, maybe a shell of a document, choosing specific fonts, adding some content, saving it as a template so each and every time you get a fresh document. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm in document 6 now. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned how to create and use templates in Microsoft Word.